y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Sade Boo. So y'all, I told y'all in another video, my mother fell down the steps, so now we are at her house picking her up so she can come stay by me so that we can help her and take care of her. And is she jumping for joy about that? Trust me, no, she's not. So let's see.
Act like I came here by myself. Go.
Okay. Okay.
Where's my best friend? Then don't be recording me. They in the this Jamaican movie is good.
She don't go nowhere without her Bible.
Royalty is icy in the bottom of the fridge.
Okay.
Get this one. Get on my mother's stuff. Mmm. We're back home.
Mustard?
My mother's making cracker sandwiches.
It's
Turkey and cheese.
Now you know you put, oh, let me get my garbage bag. You know you put turkey and cheese on the crackers. She gonna ask if I got mustard. And you taking it too far. I've never seen nobody put mustard or mayonnaise on a cracker.
And this is not even spicy mustard.
That's disgusting, man.
She's trying to make a real
That
cracker
looks like
sandwich.
that looks.
With the mustard though?
Just gives it a little zing.
Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Royce, I can pack you some of these for lunch, for school.
Absolutely. Go ahead, make your own. Don't put no mustard neither on yours. Neither.
No, yeah, I got to.
No, don't.
It tastes good, Mom.
No, don't.
Don't judge something before you try it. But that tastes good.
It gives it just a little.
Mm-hmm.
Make you think you're eating a sandwich.
Yeah.
God.
They're crazy in this house. One thing I know. What she said? One thing I found.
That was good.
Don't tell me to shush.
I'm not telling you.
God is gonna work it
I'm not.
I should have brought more
What?
crackers. We had up two of them. It's the second one.
But why you left the box, Mom?
I was just supposed to bring all my crackers here.
Yeah.
You took the cheese.
Because you said I could take the cheese. That's what you said.
Now my son don't got no cheese. Say something smart.
I don't have nothing to say. The devil gonna try and draw me out today, but he can't.
Nope. Don't let him.
From your kids, to your spouses, to your parents, to your siblings.
That's
Don't
all
let
the
them.
crackers. That's it.
Mommy.
That extra mustard.
Mommy.
The girl just Jazzy, she be making bologna, fried bologna
Yeah, fried bologna is good.
on the bread, toasted with some mustard.
Fried bologna is
She
good.
was like, yo, my mother used to make this for us all the time.
My mother
Fried
used to
bologna
make
is
that
good.
too. It's
Nobody
good
eat
with
bologna no
grilled
more?
cheese, too.
Mm.
You fry it first and then you do grilled cheese. It's good.
Oh,
Fried bologna
shucks.
is good. And the only bologna we ate was Oscar Mayer's.
I'm about to go to the store because I have to get a few things to cook. And I'm a little annoyed for today, but I'm trying to pass it. You know, trying to just push through it. Yeah, so just trying to push through it. Okay, I got a pimple, y'all. and not let certain things affect me, because I really am a person who, it's a word for it, I don't know what the word is called right now, but one thing could like mess up my whole day once it turns me off. And yeah, so, but I'm okay. I woke up this morning, I had some praise and worship. I'm okay. I still feel joyful. I'm not gonna let anybody take my joy from me. I'm not gonna let anybody detour my day. So basically we're just moving along. Look at the clock. It's about to storm. Now, although the vlog isn't long, the day was long, y'all. So after this, I was just done. I just wanted to kind of relax. So stay tuned to the next vlog. I love y'all.